Hey everyone, so this package arrived in the mail today and let's quickly unbox it. Basically it's a tool that I had ordered during one of the sales. This is from a website in India known as Big Bad Bikes. They have a sale going on and I found this. This is a tool that I've been wanting to get for a while now. Let's see if we can quickly open it. It's from a brand called Knipex. They do make awesome tools, so let's quickly check it out. I got it at a very decent discounted rate, which is why I picked it up as soon as I saw that a sale was going on. And here we go. This is the 8601-180. Basically it's a pliers wrench. July 2021, so it's been a while. As you can see, the MRP is 6698, but I think I got a very good deal and I could actually pick it up at around 3000. And here we go. Let's see if I'm trying to see if this can replace all the tools that you need to carry when you're touring. So basically I'll be making another video where we test it if we can open all the parts of the Expulse with this particular tool. Hopefully we can, and then it might be like one tool that does it all. Let's quickly see how wide it opens. It's pretty wide. It should be able to open all the wheel axles of the Expulse. Anyway guys, so that's a quick unboxing, you may say so, of this Knipex. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.